Hello, everybody. It's Alex Shevchenko here, and as always, at this time on Friday, you're able to see the Friday Alpha Leaks by Aurora. This is a live stream during which we are sharing with you insights from the Aurora ecosystem and the wider crypto. Since this is a live stream, you're able to ask your questions, and I will be able to answer all of these questions and say GM to everybody like a non-live taker. I would like to say thanks for joining, and without further ado, let's go into the updates from this week. Very late last week, there was a decision to actually postpone Pectra upgrade on the Ethereum mainnet and on the testnets. It was connected with some problems, some bugs in the implementation. And the Ethereum developers decided to spin up an additional testnet that is called Hoodie. And this testnet is going to be spin up really, really soon, actually, in order to test on March 17th. So pretty soon. And then on this testnet, the Pectra upgrade is going to be activated shortly, and after this, Ethereum developers hope that this upgrade can be tested out and then released to the mainnet. So, as always, we are continuing following up the developments on the Ethereum side, because Aurora is the solution that is fully compatible with Ethereum. That's why we are, by the way, we are also contributing into the development of some of the ERCs. So we just would like to stay on top of all of the news that are happening in the Ethereum ecosystem. Aurora main account published a monthly recap for the months of February 2025. There were quite a lot of news. This is the kind of condensed set of information from and set of communications that was happening in February. The most notable pieces are the audit of the near intent smart contract, addition of the near ecosystem meme coins to the intents, the launch of the rewards program by Turbo, rebrand of Strawberry, one intents became intense support in Bera. Additional very nice for all of the developers, really recommend this piece. Additional very nice proof of concept that was done to show how Gnosis Safe is able to manage assets on other networks through Aurora's cross-contract calls and near protocol chain signatures, support for Zcash, and a number of other things, and obviously participation in the ETH Denver, and lots of different things. So check it out if you've missed what was happening in February with Aurora. Everything is in here. But in case you are a developer and you would like to get a developer or engineering updates, you are able to see them in a separate post. And this is a blog post that you are able to go and open, and then you will see lots of things that were happening there. Moving on, T-Pro Network is developing an AI agent for Twitter that is going to allow to do the token simulations directly in Twitter. So out from this, it's not that much that we can get from this particular screenshot. However, how it feels like T-Pro is trying to condense their T-Pro console into a Twitter bot. So let's see how things are going to go. Near Mobile, a mobile wallet that uses Near Intents integrated directly inside of their application. No, I've probably said something wrong. Near Mobile, this is a mobile wallet for Near protocol. integrated directly into their mobile application and intents protocol. So now all of the users, but like this is ongoing, right? I'm not sure whether this is released yet. Probably not, but very soon it's going to be released, and anyone will be able to use Near Intents directly from the inside of their Near mobile application. Today there will be a quiz in our Discord. So if you are willing to join this quiz and participate into it, and then at 5 p.m. UTC, you can go into Discord and then find this quiz there. Wishing luck everybody who are going to participate in it. Sometimes we're doing quizzes inside of Aurora Labs, and we have our, like people who are just crushing it. So if you're not that type of person, if you're not that good at quizzes, well, I just wish you luck with all of that stuff. Now, the most important thing from this week is the AI agent or like 1 trillion agent hackathon finished. And as promised, we were saying to you last time that we're going to review the submissions, and the team who was working on this actually did it. And we have our winners. We have 6 winners that were announced 2 days ago. The first place is going to Squid Chain. This is like a game where users are able to set up their AI agents, and they are competing with each other. The second one is HedgeFi. This is a kind of meme coin playground. They have lots of different functionalities in the platform available. They are deployed on the testnet at the moment, and hopefully they are going to migrate to the mainnet pretty soon. And the third place goes to the AI agent launchpad, and this is something that you potentially have seen in some other projects like virtuals and stuff like that. But you are able to do this. But there is this AI agent launchpad. Besides that, there were also 3 wildcard winners: AI Apocalypse Chain, I Can Guess AI, and Idea Vaults. So all of the teams who received bounty here, we are going to follow up with them and work closely. And who knows, maybe some of them are going to join one of our future Friday Alpha Leagues. Also, just follow Aurora is Near for the Twitter Spaces with these teams, in case for you, like any of these teams are interested. I really encourage everyone to go and check out the demos that they were presenting and that they were uploading. So there are some things that you are able to see there. Some nice things. And the last thing that I want to share with you is a long read written by the Aurora main account. Are Bitcoin L2s really that useful? So this is about how Bitcoin L2s are working, what is happening in that space. So if you're interested in Bitcoin L2s, just check it out. And that's it with all of the updates for today. Let's switch into the questions here. Non-life taker is asking, the USA has been buying a lot of gold lately. Is this a bad sign for the crypt? I cannot say that. I think the USA is just USA introduced this strange market at the moment, or like lots of fear in the market. Because of the foreign policies, and because of this, in these market conditions, it is a very natural that usually investors are diversifying into more stable assets, and this move is pretty straightforward from my point of view. So it's not that I'm kind of I'm expecting something bad that is going to happen out of this. They're probably planning to wrap this gold into token and trade on intents. Yeah, maybe Black Crocodile. Let's see. I can tell you for sure, Mr. President Donald Trump was not calling me and not checking on how to wrap the gold into the token. Marco is just reminding everybody that our Discord is located at discord.gg/Aurora Labs. By the way, I have heard a lot about Bitcoin L2s, but I do not know any successful example projects. Maybe you know. So there is a number of projects that are working in this space. I always looking at Bitcoin L2s with a little bit of controversial position, I would say. In general, L2's approach, I do not share it, right? That's why we do have Aurora Cloud. And the reason for this is the interoperability in between the chains and the interoperability in between the chains and the mother network, right? But with Bitcoin L2s, but at least I can understand why, what type of problem L2s are sorting out for Ethereum, and this is the scalability problem. And also I understand this notion of inherent security and stuff like that. With Bitcoin L2s, things are pretty bad from the standpoint of that, like you actually cannot fully validate all of the proofs that are sent to the Bitcoin, just because there is no powerful enough smart contract engine in Bitcoin. There is Bitcoin script. There are some things that can be done there, but for the majority of the cases, as far as I understand, at least OP-cat is required, like an additional opcode that is not yet supported. And yeah, so Bitcoin L2s are a little bit like smoke and mirrors. These are the chains that are some kind of associated with Bitcoin. However, they are not L2 from the standpoint of ordinary Ethereum ecosystem. They're not inheriting the security. There is no strong strong push towards changing something in case the mother network is changing, right? So it's a little bit of that. However, there are projects that are doing that are moving in that direction, and they hope that at some point in time Bitcoin will be powerful enough in order to fully support the narrative of Bitcoin scalability through L2s. So let's see. I wish everybody luck. I think they are just doing their part in moving crypto forward with this stuff. Today is quiz on Discord. Yes. Please, sir, listen on Binance. And I think Aurora can be big. Okay. So the Binance listing, like you need to go to Binance and then tell them this. And especially take into account that Binance released the community governance. And now anyone is able to propose to list on Binance a particular token, and then the community can vote. So maybe we need to organize, we need to, as Aurora community, maybe we need to organize and do this. Yeah, one would argue that these are not BTCs, Altus only sidechain. Yeah. Recently, Binance has not shown the same listing results as before. Plus, such top one exchange charged a lot of money for listing. Yeah, you're right. I've seen an interesting infographics. Apparently, 97% of tokens that are listed on Binance are actually going down after the moment in time when the listing occurs. So that's an interesting observation, at least. So would it be good or bad for Aurora? I don't know, but Aurora is present on lots of very, very big exchanges, but just not Binance. Aurora is present on Coinbase, on Bybit, on KuCoin, on Gate.io, like almost everywhere except of Binance. Okay, good. So thanks everybody for joining. Thanks everybody for discussions here. And as always, we're going to see you in exactly 1 week from now on the next Friday Alphatic sessions. And until then, have a good one.